I'm Janet Levine, and I'm the chair of the American Bar Association's Criminal Justice Section this year. I'm very pleased to be involved in this section. In my everyday life, I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I represent clients to the best of my ability, and I think that I do justice, but I do it one case and one client at a time. In the criminal justice section, we come together, all parts of the criminal justice system, prosecutors, defense lawyers, judges, academics, and others involved, and we all talk about what makes sense, what does better justice as a whole. Together we make policy. I'm proud to be a member of the ABA's criminal justice section. I think you too would be proud to be involved.
My name is Stephen Salzburg. I'm a former chair of the ABA criminal justice section. I currently am one of the 2 delegates from the criminal justice section to the governing body of the American Bar Association, which is the House of Delegates. I encourage every lawyer, law student, and even non-lawyers who are interested in criminal justice to become a member of the criminal justice section. It is the one place in the United States where we bring together prosecutors, defense lawyers, judges, academics, and we talk about how to improve the quality of justice, the administration of justice throughout the United States. It's not an effort to figure out whether we can give an advantage to one side or the other. It's really an effort at law reform and promoting the best possible practices. And we not only have judges and prosecutors and defense lawyers from this country, we have judges like Judge Jung, who may very well also be on tape, from South Korea, who was educating me just a little while ago about juries and jury trials, which relatively new phenomenon in South Korea. And it's a place not only where we work on improving our own system, we try to figure out what's happening in other parts of the world, whether we can learn from other parts of the world, things that can help us improve our system. Today at lunch, Senator Jim Webb from Virginia spoke to our annual sentencing program that we put on in the criminal justice section, and he spoke about a bill that he's proposed to create a National Criminal Justice Commission, which would look at best practices throughout the world in an effort to reduce the need for mass incarceration that we experience in the United States, to find ways of promoting alternatives to incarceration, to have a dialogue about what really would improve criminal justice. So the criminal justice section, it's a very special place to be. It's a welcoming place. It's a place that I invite all of you to consider joining. As I said, you don't need to be a lawyer, you don't need to be a judge, you don't need to be a law student. You can be anybody who's interested in criminal justice issues. You need to become a member of the American Bar Association and a member of the criminal justice section. Please consider joining with us. We look forward to working with you.
Hello, my name is Sidney Butcher. I'm co-chair for the membership committee for ABA's criminal justice section. Membership with the ABA criminal justice section is vital for all young lawyers that are interested or have an active practice in the criminal justice section for several reasons. But some of the more important reasons is because you can sit at the table and meet with leaders on all sides of criminal justice, from judges to the defense bar, to prosecutors, to government lawyers. It just allows for a good, solid setting to network and to learn about different issues that affect everyone's practice. It gives you a more worldly view by being active in a community such as the criminal justice section.
My name is Bob Johnson. I joined the section probably 25 years ago. Former president of the National District Attorneys Association, and spent a lot of my time in both the State Association, Prosecutors Association, the National Association. Spent a lot of time around prosecutors. But I never really learned what the criminal justice system is about until I joined the ABA and participated with all the players in the organization that represented the different elements of the criminal justice system. Judges, defense lawyers, started to make me understand better the criminal justice system in which I worked as a prosecutor. This is where you really learn what the criminal justice system system is about. It's not just about adversarial relationships. It's about making justice better for the people of the United States, and you learn that in the criminal justice system, not just in your own individual system for the work that you do. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Myrna Raider. I'm a professor at Southwestern Law School in Los Angeles. I'm a longtime member of the ABA Criminal Justice Section, and in fact, a number of years ago, a past chair of the section. The section really has been a unified voice of the entire criminal justice community relating to issues that are of concern not simply to defense counsel or prosecutors or judges or academics, but to all of us, including, on occasion, law enforcement as well. We have a large membership, we have an active membership, and I think that it is a wonderful opportunity for people not only to network, but also to really share ideas.
I am Andrew Ferguson, a law professor at the David A. Clark School of Law at the University of District of Columbia and co-director of the ABA Criminal Justice Section's Law Students Activity Committee. Why join the ABA? Why join the Criminal Justice Section? Because you can participate in the legal issues that are going on in America. You can participate and connect with professionals in the area. You can join projects like the Citizen Amicus Project, which lets you, as a law student, contribute to the legal issues before the United States Supreme Court. It's a great opportunity. It's a great chance to be a part of your legal community. It's what being a professional is all about. Join now. Join with us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I'm the co-chair of the Committee on Racial and Ethnic Justice and Diversity of the ABA Criminal Justice Section. And being a member of the ABA has been a very valuable experience for me. The ABA is not just a vehicle for me to contribute to the profession in areas that I find personally and professionally very important and valuable, but in return, it's giving me some rewarding experiences. I've met some very influential people, people who've contributed to my own professional development. They've made me a better attorney. And also I've gotten experiences that I don't think I may necessarily have been exposed to outside of the ABA. So all in all, I think being a member is very rewarding, and I would encourage every lawyer to not just join, but to help give back to the profession. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sami. I'm a member of the American Bar Association, specifically the Criminal Justice Section. I'm a committee chair of the Criminal Procedure, Evidence, and Police Practices Subcommittee or Committee of the section. I've enjoyed my time with the CJS because I get to meet lawyers who are involved in criminal justice from all over the country. I get to have new experiences and learn about fields and areas that I would not normally be exposed to. I think everyone should join because you get these opportunities not just to be pigeonholed in your own jurisdiction's practices or policy, but to see how things are done nationwide and to meet practitioners like you or academics in the criminal justice field who can expose you to new things that you could apply in your own everyday life as a criminal lawyer. Thanks.
Hi, my name is David Ball, and I'm an assistant professor at Santa Clara Law School, and I'm also a member of the American Bar Association Criminal Justice Section. And the reason why I joined is because I really benefit a lot from learning from other academics who are on my committee, the Corrections Committee, as well as from other practitioners. So it really gives me an exposure to not only people who are thinking and writing in the field, but also people who are actually prosecuting and defending, and in my case, sentencing and overseeing corrections in the field. So I think it's really a great way to meet people who do things that are similar to the stuff I do, but who are in many ways and important ways different from what I do.
My name's Nina Marino. I'm an attorney in Beverly Hills with the law firm of Kaplan Marino, and we do all criminal defense, which makes the ABA Criminal Justice Section probably the best bar association that we can belong to. I've done local bar work with women lawyers in LA and Beverly Hills Bar, but I have to say, being an active member of the Criminal Justice Section of the American Bar Association has brought to me the most invaluable of contacts and relationships and education of any other bar association that I've had the pleasure to work with. I have been on the council. It has been my privilege to have been on the council for the last 5 years. I've been vice chair at large for 2 years. I have chaired the communications and membership section of the criminal justice section of the ABA. And all the experiences that I've had the pleasure to engage in and be part of as a result of my affiliation with the criminal justice section are really priceless. And anyone who has not taken advantage of this fantastic resource that is available to everyone is really missing out. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Misha Lopez. I'm a member of the criminal justice section within the ABA. I believe that it's important to be a member of the criminal justice section because it keeps you up to date on many of the things that are happening in the field. It's also a great way to network and meet other people that are doing work that you're interested in or may be involved in.
Hi all, my name is Teresa Melton and I'm the Public Relations Senior Specialist with the American Bar Association Criminal Justice Section. And I'm happy to be here to tell you that it's a great place to become a member. I've been a part of the ABA for over a year, and the neat thing about it is that our members come from diverse backgrounds with lots of professional and community experience, and they love mentoring people and they love networking and connecting with each other and doing great things to improve the field of criminal justice. So if you haven't become a member or if you're thinking about becoming a member, I think the criminal justice section is the place you want to be. It's a great place to get your start, it's a great place to extend your career, and it's a great place to do great good for our country and for the world. So I ask you to join our section, be a member, get involved, get excited about the criminal justice section. We are unified in the work that we do in the pursuit of justice. So, see you on the other side, join the section.